Now, when we are speaking of A is equal to B plus I, it simply means that amount is equal to principal plus what? Interest. How? Amount is equal to principal plus what?
Interest.
True or false?
True.
Is this not amount is equal to principal plus interest? Yeah. That means the money you invest or borrow because the interest you generate is the total amount you are getting, right? For example, now, if this guy borrows me, or let me not say borrows me, if I borrow money from this man here, 3.5, and he give me a certain rate that is being charged, then let's all say at the end of the day, 1.5 is what you will receive at the end of the month that I will pay you. How much will I pay you? Will I pay you 3.5? No, I'll have to add the 3.5 to the interest that you charge me, right? How much is his money?
5,000.
So amount is equal to principal plus what?
Interest.
So now from here, what is interest? Now watch. Amount is equals to principal plus principal times rate times time over what? Amount formula. The lecturer taught you this thing now. Yes. Una sabi about that. Sharp. Una no sabi about. Or amount equals to principal plus principal times R% what? T. How? Instead of putting I as interest, substitute I for the formula. Are you getting it? This is it. What I'm teaching you is amount what? It's from this amount formula you can now get how to find all the whole stuff. Like they might tell you find for principal, you use the amount formula. Find for rate, find for time. But you can still find for rate, time, and principal using simple interest formula. But I don't want to choke your heads too much with formula. Now let's stop here. If you have to factorize this and this, you are still in 70. You say A is equals to, now what is common here? Peculiar is here, right? You pick one peculiar, open bracket. Now if you put P and want to factorize it, here will remain 1, right? Why? P times 1, P. I see it now. Plus. Now P is here. P is already here, right? You will not write P. Why? Because P is already outside. So you simply say R% what?
T.
This is amount formula. You can write it like this, or you write it like what? It's still the same thing. Hello. The same with this. My brother, which department are you guys? Yeah, which department? Yeah. You are going to the accountancy one. Yeah? I hope they are getting possessed. Now, watch here. You can say A is equals to B, open bracket, 1 plus RT over what? I see the same thing. The reason for R over 100 is R what?
Percent.
Is R what?
Percent.
You can say R over 100 or R what?
Percent.
That is how to beat you. No stress. Now, A is equals to B plus I, right? What is B? B is equals to A minus what? Minus I, right?
Yeah.
And I is equals to A minus what? B. Example. B plus I is equals to A is equals to B plus I, right?
Yes.
How are you? Now, 5,000 minus 3,500 is equals to what? That means this is amount minus principal is equals to what? And its interest is equals to amount minus what? That's what I'm doing. Amount is equals to principal plus what?
Interest.
The what of principal? Amount minus what?
Interest.
How? Because if you say 3,500, right? Sorry, if you say 5,000 minus 1,500, how much will the thing give you?
3.5.
That means principal is equal to amount minus what?
Interest.
Know this. Very, very important. Please, is there any question? Is there any question? No question, right? Let's move to our PDFs. Please don't forget what I told you. That is because I keep 300%. Now everybody move to mathematics. Are you gently here? Are we all there? Now there's something I want to tell you guys which is very, very important. Okay? When dealing with time, I want us to talk about time. There is time for everything in life, right? Time is very, very important. Now let's talk about time. In actual mathematics, let's talk about time. Now, time, we have what is called the days. We have what is called the what?
Weeks.
Step by step. Now, when we are speaking of days, hello. See, let me tell you something. Everything is that PDF. You don't even need to jot down. When I just teach finish, go back to that PDF. When you are reading it, it will be very simple for you. Now, days is divided into two. He taught you guys, right? Yes. Very good. These days here, this one here is called the bankers or ordinary what? Interest. Thank you. Now, bankers, the way bankers do calculate days according to actual mathematics is 360. What does it mean? As a banker don't calculate days based on 31st. They just calculate days. 30. Are you listening to me?
Yes,
that
sir.
is why it is called bankers. Now, any day they give you and they say bankers, it's over 300 and what?
60.
Please. Now, when they say exact simply means the exact days that are in the year. Hello, what did I say? That are in the year. Which is exact what?
Interest.
I told of this guy. This guy is the only person that I've paid so far in accounting department. He paid earlier. How much did he pay? 5K. That is what I'm charging for this semester. So now, this exact now, we say it will be over what? 360 what? Everyone listen to me. Can you remember this song? 30 days are September, April, June, and November. All the rest are 31, except February alone, which have 28 days and 29 in each year, right? That is what you will be using in your actual mathematics. It looks stupid, but you will use it. You don't know it, you are failing. How many weeks are there in a year? No, everything here is in respect to 1 year. Are you getting me? Now, when we are talking of weeks, how many weeks do we have? It's not 52 weeks. If they give you weeks, it is the number of weeks over 50 what? How many months are there in a year?
12.
That means any month they give will be over what?
12.
What of year? Over what? Over what? 1. That is why, since here is over 1, that is why if you have simple interest at 5, you simply say 5 over 1 is the same thing as what? Are you seeing it now? But if they tell you 5 months, it's going to be 5 over what? If they tell you 3 weeks, it will be 3 weeks over what? If they tell you according to ordinary interest, they say 92 days, it will be 92 over what? If it is 70 days, it ends 70 over 360 what? That is all. You are done for the major things about this course. It's simply this. Ask your question.
I dey do it.